Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best gaming motherboards under $500 available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered the quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best gaming motherboards. The 5th product on our list is the MSI AMD X470 Ryzen. The MSI AMD X470 Ryzen has been made both for gamers who want to play for fun and those that like to focus on competition. It provides an essential and straightforward platform for gaming quickly with AMD Ryzen. Enjoy the reliable design, as it has hardened circuits optimized for performance and MSI PCI Express steel slots that are secured to the motherboard with extra solder points and reinforced to support the weight of a heavy graphics card. This product has the latest iteration of MSI's motherboard CPU power delivery system. Its components are fixed on an optimized circuit design, resulting in a highly efficient power system capable of precise current output to the CPU with reserved power zones that give more support to the cores and provide excellent performance. Additionally, this MSI supports 1st, 2nd, and 3rd Gen AMD Ryzen with Radeon Vega graphics, 2nd Gen AMD Ryzen with Radeon graphics, and Athlon with Radeon Vega graphics desktop processors. At the same time, this motherboard has been upgraded to support multiple Ryzen processor generations, including Ryzen 3000 series processors, so no matter what you choose, you'll have full compatibility and maximum performance. If you're looking for future-proofing, rest assured it also supports DDR4 memory up to 4133 overclocked MHz and RAM up to 64 GB for lightning-fast gaming and browser operation. The MSI AMD X470 comes with a high-quality sound card that has dedicated amplifiers for audio capacitors, which are physically isolated from the motherboard circuitry to help you listen and locate enemies without distortion. Lastly, this motherboard is fully customizable with its 7 colored lights and Mystic Sync light settings to give your PC the exact look you want. Its pros are: it is effortless to install, it has reinforced PCI slots, and it's optimized for Ryzen pairing. However, its cons are: its aesthetic lights are prone to failure, and it only has a graphics port, not an adapter. The MSI AMD X470 Ryzen is a reliable motherboard that will work incredibly well for those looking for an easy installation on any build using Ryzen tech. Up next in 4th place is the ROG Strix Z490 series. The ROG Strix Z490 series is the perfect platform for any mini ITX build. With Wi-Fi 6, boosted power delivery, active cooling design, plus the new triple-decker heatsink, ROG Strix Z490 series is an excellent backbone for the latest Intel Core processors. Featuring an Intel LGA 1200 socket to provide you with the utmost performance of a 10th Gen Intel Core processor. This motherboard is made to last with its reliable power solution. The 8+2 DR MOS power stages with ProCool 2 power connector, high-quality alloy chokes, and durable capacitors provide dependable power when pushing for CPU performance. Moreover, the fully optimized thermal design with embed custom Delta Superflow VRM fan, MOS heatsink, L-shaped heat pipe, and fan headers has low-noise AI cooling to balance thermals and acoustics by reducing fan speeds and maintaining a 5 Celsius delta, keeping your rig as cool as possible for long-lasting performance. This motherboard's high-performance onboard Intel Wi-Fi, Intel 2.5 Gigabyte Ethernet with ASUS LANguard gives you a stable gaming connection at all times. It also supports HDMI 2.0A and DisplayPort 1.4 output and features dual M2, front panel USB 3, 2 Gen 2 Type-C connectors. This versatility is essential for those looking to game at the highest level. As with our last product, the ROG Strix Z490 series ensures you have the best high-fidelity audio with its Supreme FX S1220A codec, DTS Sound Unbound, and Sonic Studio 3 to draw you deeper into the game action. If you're looking to build something that will match your favorite games, then this motherboard has you covered with its ASUS exclusive Aura Sync RGB lighting, including RGB headers and Gen 2 addressable headers. Finally, you'll always be at the top of your game with the inbuilt ROG AI overclocking that intelligently gets the most out of your build by automatically profiling your CPU and cooling system to predict optimal voltage and frequency settings. Its pros are: it has a very stable power delivery, it can be overclocked easily, and it is small enough for a micro build. However, the cons are: it has reported memory compatibility issues when XMP is enabled, and the Ethernet adapter has inconsistent speeds. The ROG Strix Z490 series is the perfect product for the gamer that wants a stable, efficient motherboard that can fit even in the smallest cases. Still haven't found a gaming motherboard that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on our list is the Gigabyte Aorus Pro. The Gigabyte Aorus Pro is a mini ITX motherboard, perfect for building a small form factor PC for people who demand high performance and care about aesthetics. This compact yet powerful motherboard delivers impressive performance with its latest CPU, graphics card, and super fast connectivity features. It comes equipped with a comprehensive thermal solution to keep it cool under a heavy workload. Especially important in compact rigs where airflow is limited, and its size does not compromise the performance of this motherboard. The 3rd gen AMD Ryzen processors are fully supported, based on B450 motherboards, and equipped with the ultimate power solution in the form of accurate direct, digital, and multiple phases, which, no matter what you're playing, is precisely what you need as a gaming enthusiast. With the Gigabyte Aorus Pro, there is a minimal compromise in performance. Protective and optimized memory trace enhances speed and stability with faster read and write to save time and improve your PC's efficiency. This motherboard also offers plenty of M.2 storage with thermal guards to ensure you have uninterrupted read and write capability. As we all know, being prepared for the next leap in gaming is incredibly important. Next-gen games improve year on year and require more and more performance from your rig. But with the advanced PCIe 4.0 ready components on this Gigabyte Aorus Pro motherboard, you'll be prepared to install a quick upgrade in no time. Lastly, the next generation network, storage, and Wi-Fi connectivity will keep you up to speed whether you're streaming or picking up achievement points on online servers. Its pros are: its hardware is ready for upgrades, it is lightweight and easy to fit in your PC, and it has reliable power delivery. However, its cons are: it has problems with its QFlash Plus feature, and it does not have any provisions for a front panel USB-C port. The Gigabyte Aorus Pro is a potent and light motherboard suited to smaller builds that want the ability to upgrade easily. The second product on our list is the B450 Tomahawk Max. The B450 Tomahawk Max is another entry by MSI. This rugged-looking motherboard provides a militaristic aesthetic that's sure to match any aggressively styled rig. This motherboard has been upgraded to support multiple Ryzen processor generations, including Ryzen 3000 series processors, so you'll have optimal performance and compatibility. With this, you'll get Click BIOS 5, which is designed with an easy-to-use layout and multiple system tuning capabilities, so you'll be able to adjust everything to your specific needs. It's well known that one of the biggest killers of high-performance PCs is excess heat generation. So, to combat this, the B450 Tomahawk Max is equipped with heatsinks on top of the VRM to help dissipate the heat generated. The extended heatsinks on this have even more surface area for more thermal dissipation, keeping your rig cool and running even under high load. This motherboard was made with simplicity in mind, as you can flash the BIOS with only a connected power supply by following just a couple of steps without CPU and memory required. Much like the first MSI motherboard we reviewed, Core Boost comes from its latest CPU power delivery system, a reserved zone of premium power delivery components on an optimized circuit designed to provide efficient power capable of precise current output of the CPU. The B450 Tomahawk Max also retains the excellent dedicated sound card and boosted HD audio processor with isolated capacitors and amplifiers for a crisp, clean sound. With this product, you'll be able to outsmart and outperform your opponents in-game using the included array of unique MSI gaming tools. These intelligent hardware and software tools will help you stay one step ahead of your competition while boosting your skills. Its pros are: it has great style, its cooling capability is excellent, and it's simple to update the BIOS. However, its cons are: it has plastic CPU cooler retention brackets, and the manual is not very comprehensive. The B450 Tomahawk Max is for the person that wants to show off their PC's internal design, while also maintaining excellent reliability and performance. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top gaming motherboard is the ROG Maximus XII Formula. The ROG Maximus XII Formula is brimming with high-quality components such as MA 8-pin ProCool 2 power connectors, a 70-amp power stage, and microfine alloy chokes with 10,000 Japanese-made black metallic capacitors. These capacitors possess proprietary memory trace layout tweaks to improve signal integrity and reduce noise. Simultaneously, the Asus OptiMem 3 is compatible with 3600 MHz plus memory kits, allowing them to run at higher frequencies. You can opt to optimize memory for high-frequency settings or low-latency settings. This enables you to run at the maximum frequency with higher capacity memory kits, whereas other motherboards will trade off frequency for capacity. With the ROG Maximus XII, you can use your favorite modules and increase the throughput of the new 10th generation Intel Core Comet Lake S processors for those tasks that demand massive bandwidth. As we have mentioned, heat dissipation is massively vital to both the performance and longevity of your PC. This product is cooler by design, multiple temperature sources, 4-pin PWM DC fan, and AIO pump ROG. The Cross-Chill EK3 lets you cool with air and water. The redesigned cooling channel is wider to provide up to 37.2 degrees Celsius lower MOSFET temperatures on water. Additionally, this system also features a G1/4-inch threaded design, a watertight rubber gasket, a copper water channel, and a large copper surface area for ultimate heat dissipation and fitting existing setups for efficient, quiet cooling with minimum effort. Moreover, 3 M2 slots are wired directly to the PCH. One slot supports both SATA and PCIe 3.0 X4 modes, while the other supports PCIe 3.0 X4 for NVMe. Additional Intel Optane memory recognizes, remembers, and speeds up access to most frequently used files, applications, and games for faster, more responsive performance. With the ROG Maximus XII, you'll always be connected as it comes set up for Wi-Fi 6, 10 GB per second onboard Ethernet, and Intel 2.5G Ethernet, so you can enter high-speed online games with minimal lag. Finally, this motherboard will help get the best out of your rig with its AI overclocking that tunes your PC profiles to the CPU and cooling to predict the optimal configuration for each system. Its pros are: it has exceptional cooling capability, it's made with high-quality components, and it supports the newest Intel Core processors. However, some customers report issues with its aesthetic LED lights. The ROG Maximus XII Formula is a highly reliable piece of performance kit that comes with every feature you could want for expert gaming. It would suit anyone looking to build a long-lasting rig that can perform on optimal settings without issue. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.